Welcome. This video I'll show you how to create purchase order here in Zoho Books. All right. So first up, if you haven't done so, make sure that you have enabled purchase order. Okay. You can go ahead over to the gear icon right here. Click on under setup and configurations. Okay. Click on general. And in here, make sure that you have enabled purchase orders. Okay. Make sure that you tick on it and hit on save. And once that's done, close the settings. Wait for your dashboard to load. Okay, and once it loads, you can now go ahead and go to purchases. Okay, the left panel, click on purchases, and you should be able to see purchase orders now. Okay, click on it and just click on create right here, or at the top right, click on new. Okay, go ahead and add in the vendor name, or if you already have the vendors, you can click on the drop down and select one. Okay, and once that's done, your delivery address right here, purchase order, reference number, I'm just going to go ahead and add in one. The date of the PO, delivery date right here, maybe on December 6th. Payment terms, due on receipt, end of the month, due end of next month. Okay. Scroll down, add in your item. You can add in as many items as you can. Okay. And the account right here, make sure to select one. Okay? Let's say, for example, employee advance. Okay. Quantity, tax right here if you have enabled tax under your settings. Now scroll down. If you want to add in some discounts, go ahead and do so. It could be by percent or by currency. Okay. Scroll down, add in some notes if you want to as well. And some adjustments, by the way. And the terms and conditions. Okay. You could also go ahead and upload your terms and conditions if it's in a PDF format. Just click on upload right here. And once done, email communications, add new right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and add in myself in here. Okay. Once that's done, hit on save. And then just go ahead and click on save and send. Here we have the preview. Hit on send right here. Wait for it to load. And again, here we have the preview. The status right here. And the bill status. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.